Recording, I am going to show you how to record your PowerPoint presentation in order to show your video in the corner, and then how to upload it to Flipgrid. So first, open your PowerPoint and you need to go to Slideshow. Then in Slideshow there's some different options. The one that you want to use is in the middle here. It says Record Slideshow. So I'm going to start recording. I'm going to say from the current slide, which is going to actually be, should be my next slide. Okay, so I'm going to get to my slide that I want to start with, and then one thing to be careful about when you're making your slides is that your picture is going to be in the bottom right corner. So you don't want to have text, important text, in the bottom right hand side of this corner. Now once you're ready to record, go ahead and hit the record button and it will start recording you in the bottom corner. 3, 2, 1, and Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? And then when you're ready, you can just go to your next slide. She sells seashells by the seashore. A skunk sat on a stump. The stump thunk, the skunk stunk. The skunk thunk, the stump stunk. Laura and Larry rarely lull their rural roosters to sleep. Betty loves the very berry velvet vest best. I thanked the thin thief for the 3 theater tickets. So when you're done, you can hit stop, and what it will do is it's now, if you look at the slideshow, if I exit the slideshow, what you can see that's different is now there's a little picture of my video inset in the bottom. So that if I actually play, it's going to go ahead, it'll play my regular PowerPoint, but I can also do a custom show and show the video. Now the other thing that I can do then is I can export this PowerPoint as a video. So what you need to do is go up here into your file settings, File, and then click on Export. So when you click on Export here, you have file format. If you change this, there's 2 movie options. One is MP4 and one is MOV. I recommend using MP4 because MP4 is more universally used. So click on MP4 and you can just leave these settings as they are and then go ahead and click on Export. Now I'm going to go ahead and go over to my desktop, and you can see it's saving the video now. It's not completely done. So usually you have to wait. It takes about maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes. But once your video is done, and maybe even before, you can go over to Flipgrid. So let me go to Flipgrid. So go ahead, and I'm going to use my testing grid just to upload it so I'm not interfering with any of the courses. So go to the topic where you want to save it, and then, oh, go there. Okay, so now what you can do is you can go ahead and click on, wait, where's my record button? Oh, View as Student. So I'm logged in as administrator. So if I click on View as Student, and go ahead and log in, then I can show you what it looks like. So 1 second. Logging into Flipgrid. Okay, so now I have here Record a Response. So go ahead and click your usual Record a Response button, and I'm just going to allow it. Now, instead of recording a video, to the left of the record button, you have something called Options. Click on Options and you can see Upload Clip. So here I can upload my video file. So I can either search for it or I can drag and drop it. If I search for it, I know it's on my desktop, and it's Tongue Twisters Sample Video, Upload, and here it goes. You can check it and watch it. You can trim it if you want to, and whatever. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on next, and you can select a frame to use, or you can take a selfie or upload a photo just as you usually would for your final thing. So I'll take a selfie. Yay! And then confirm and submit. And now it's going to upload my video, so it's going to take a few minutes. So you want to wait until this is completely done before you close the app or before you close the web browser. And that's how you upload your video to Flipgrid. Now keep in mind, there is a time limit. I've set the time limit rather high, at the highest it can go, which is 10 minutes. I don't expect you to record a 10-minute video. I only expect maybe a few minutes. Okay? All right, if you have any questions, you can always reach me on Teams chat.